If you suddenly woke up rich, really rich, would you know what to do next? Let's say you just won $5 million in the lottery, or your late uncle left you a surprise inheritance, or maybe your side hustle went viral and made you a crypto millionaire overnight. You're excited, shocked, and maybe even a little scared. And rightfully so, because sudden wealth is a massive life shift. And believe it or not, most people aren't ready for it. In fact, a large percentage of people who come into sudden wealth, from lottery wins to athlete contracts, lose it all within just a few years. But that won't be you. Today, I'll walk you through the essential steps you must take if you suddenly come into a lot of money. This guide isn't just about avoiding mistakes. It's about setting yourself up for lasting wealth, peace of mind, and a life you actually enjoy. And trust me, you'll want to stick around to the very end. Because the most important step isn't financial at all. It's something else entirely. Let's dive in. Number 1. Breathe and pause. Before you touch the money, pause. Don't make any major decisions. Sudden wealth can trigger panic, adrenaline, or even guilt. Example, a woman who inherited $2.5 million immediately gave away nearly half of it to family, only to realize later she hadn't saved enough for herself. If she had paused, she could have planned more wisely. Take at least a week, ideally a month, to calm your emotions before doing anything big. Number 2. Keep it quiet. The fewer people who know, the better. Sudden wealth can attract opportunists. Friends, family, and strangers. Example, a man who won the lottery in a small town had long-lost friends asking for loans and even strangers showing up at his house. Until you have a financial and legal plan, keep your news within your closest circle. Number 3, build your wealth. Team, you're not expected to know everything. That's why you need 3 professionals: a fiduciary financial advisor, a CPA tax strategist, and a estate lawyer. Example, a financial advisor can guide you on investment decisions. A tax pro can prevent you from losing 40% of your wealth to the government. A lawyer can protect your assets from lawsuits or future disputes. Number 4, don't quit your job immediately. It's tempting to walk out and scream, "I'm rich," but don't. Example, if you quit in a rush, you might later realize you've lost your sense of purpose or daily routine. Money can't replace meaning. Wait until you've created a new plan for your life. Keep structure, even temporarily. Number 5. Pay off toxic debt. This is your chance to wipe the slate clean. High-interest debt like credit cards should be your first target. Example, paying off $15,000 in credit card debt at 25% interest is like earning a guaranteed 25% return on your money, something even billionaires dream of. Number 6. Create a cash safety. Net even with millions, you still need an emergency fund, money you don't touch but can access fast. Example, keep at least 6 months of expenses in a high-interest savings account. Emergencies don't disappear when you're rich. In fact, they get more expensive. Number 7. Learn your tax responsibilities. Different sources of wealth have different tax rules. Lottery, capital gains, inheritance, they're all taxed differently. Example, if you win $5 million in the U.S., your take-home could be closer to $3 million after federal and state taxes. Knowing that in advance avoids nasty surprises. Number 8. Create financial boundaries with loved ones. Prepare to hear, "Can you help me with?" from friends, cousins, even co-workers. Be kind but firm. Example, say something like, "I've created a plan with my financial team, and I have to stick to it. I can't make exceptions." Set expectations early so people respect your space and limits. Number 9. Avoid rushed spending. Hold off on buying luxury homes, sports cars, or expensive vacations. Example, many millionaires regret the $250K car or $5 million home because their lifestyle inflated too fast. locking them into higher monthly expenses. Give big purchases a 90-day cooling-off period. Number 10. Start investing. The smart way, after securing your basics. Grow your wealth. Invest in index funds, ETFs, real estate, or businesses, not hype coins or guaranteed returns. Example, if you invest $1.5 million at 7% annual return, you'll have around $3 million in 10 years, without lifting a finger. Number 11. Open multiple bank accounts. Create buckets for your money. Essentials, short-term fun, long-term. Investing. Charitable giving, example. This separation prevents the common mistake of seeing a huge bank balance and overspending. Your fun account might be $100K, not your full $5 million. Number 12. Get comprehensive insurance. You're now a bigger legal target. Protect yourself. Example. Umbrella liability insurance can cover you if someone sues you for a slip and fall on your property, or if your dog bites someone at the park. Number 13. Be skeptical of financial advice. Everyone will act like an expert. Now, but be careful. Your scams often target the newly rich. Example, a man who inherited $3 million lost half of it to a shady business partner. Vet every opportunity. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. Number 14. Live modestly, even if you're rich. Don't let money change your values. Example, Keanu Reeves donates millions and lives a low-key lifestyle. Many wealthy people drive used cars and live in average homes. Why? Because they want to stay wealthy. Number 15. Set purpose-driven goals. Money gives you freedom, but without a purpose, that freedom can become emptiness. Example, ask yourself, what do I want to build? Travel the world? Create scholarships? Start a business? Support your community? Purpose gives money meaning. Number 16. Give back. Thoughtfully, donating money is powerful, but do it in a way that's intentional, not emotional. Example, instead of giving $50,000 to every cause that asks, create a $100,000 yearly giving fund and research where it can make the most impact: education, healthcare, or social programs. Number 17. Plan for the end, even if you're young. We're talking about estate planning, wills, trusts, beneficiaries. Example, if something happens to you, do you want your younger siblings to inherit your money all at once, or gradually with guidance? A trust helps you control how your wealth is passed on. Number 18. Keep educating yourself. The more you know, the less likely you are to lose it. Example, read books like The Psychology of Money or Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Follow YouTube channels that talk about investing and wealth habits. Stay curious. Stay sharp. Number 19. Revisit your plan. Often wealth management isn't a one-time thing. Life changes, goals shift, and so should your plan. Example, once a year, sit down with your advisor to update your investments, taxes, and goals. Stay active in your own financial journey. Sudden wealth is like fire. It can cook your food or burn down your house. The difference lies in how you handle it. Take time, build structure, get help, and most importantly, stay grounded. Now I want to hear from you. If you suddenly received $10 million tomorrow, what would be the first thing you'd do? And why? Drop your answers in the comments below. I can't wait to hear how you would handle sudden wealth.